It smells better than it tastes. That's what I feel about coffee. I don't know if that's a confession or not. I don't know if you feel the same way, but coffee does smell better than it tastes. I think that's why I'm so hard on coffee quite a bit, actually. See, here's the thing. When you smell coffee, that's what really gets you going. You're thinking about all the different compounds and how after a roaster has brewed this coffee, it can really smell like that. And that's even before you actually grind up the coffee. And then when you grind it up, it's just mind blown. And then of course, when you're brewing the coffee, you smell it as it brews, right? And you're just like thinking and you're just wondering, it's like, okay, I'm about to get that coffee. I'm gonna enjoy the exact same way that I smelled it. And you're let down. And there's been only a couple times really where that smell and that taste are one with each other. It truly like complements each other. But most of the time, if you're honest with yourself, I think I'm honest with myself, is that coffee doesn't do that all the time. A lot of times when you smell that coffee, I think that's one of the reasons why I really stopped smelling coffee, truly really smelling coffee, because I don't want to be let down by the actual taste of coffee. Don't get me wrong, it still does taste good. It really does. But the thing about coffee to me is that when you smell it and when you drink it, you want your taste buds, all your senses to really be compatible with each other. But I guess that's the thing about it. A lot of times the smell doesn't let you down. But when you taste it, it kind of really does. But I think that's part of the journey too. When we kind of like go back and forth of like if we like this coffee, if we don't like this coffee, if we do really truly understand the things that we're trying to do. You know, you get what I'm saying? So, how do you go about enjoying your coffee? Do you just care about the taste? Do you think about the actual smell of the coffee and how that can really complement what you're drinking? Are you a hot coffee drinker? Do you mainly drink your coffee when it's hot? How do you go about that stuff? I want to know, just to see how other people think about coffee. So, for me, coffee smells better than it tastes. For you, what is it for you? What really gets you moving about coffee? What gets you excited about coffee? Is it the taste? Or is it a combination of both and you're not really so much worried about if it matches up the same way? Or is it the people? Us just talking about it? Or you with your friends having a conversation about something random? I think that is a beauty about coffee too. But you personally, what really is it for you? So, let's talk about it.